You are going to love the 2025 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.